Hello. I initially wanted to shoot like an assumptions video for YouTube today, but I changed my mind and I'm now gonna show you how I'm gonna curl my hair. I'm gonna show you how to get like a blowout. So the last time I did it, I used the Dyson, and I wanted to show you like a more affordable way to do it, I guess. So I'm gonna be using a curler, which is right here. This is the Babyliss barrel. It's like a 1.5 inch or 1 inch barrel curler. So I'm just gonna heat this up. So while this heats up, what I want to do is use this Olaplex bonding oil. I've been trying to like find a good heat protectant, but I can't. I got one from Aveda, but that one is not, it's making my hair really crunchy. This is the Tangle Teaser wet brush. So good, you should just try it for you to understand just how good it is. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is kind of like split my hair, curl them, and then put a roller in them, because the actual curling happens when your hair is drying. Like when it's cooling, it's not when your hair is heating up. So if you set your hair in a curler, a roller, when your hair is cooling down from the curl being made, it lasts much longer. So I'm just curling my hair outward like this and then holding it in my hand, and then what I'm gonna do is take a roller. These words are so confusing. Take a roller and then basically roll my hair as I would normally, away from the face. I don't know, guys, this is the first time I'm trying this as well. I hope it works. And then just clip it in place. Okay, so I've done one side. I'm gonna repeat the same thing on the other side and come back. So for these last two pieces, I've curled this one this side and this one this side. I think that's what I've done. And I'm gonna clip the thing upways so that it's a bit voluminous at the root. You know what though, I have to be honest, I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just trying something. I hope it works. So yeah, I'm gonna clip this last piece in as well. And now we have to just wait. Okay, so it's been like around half an hour. The video that I saw says that I should leave it in for an hour, but I feel like that's a really long time. So I'm just gonna start removing it. I don't know. I feel like I curled my hair a little bit weirdly on this side. I always struggle to curl my hair on the right side because of the way you have to hold the wand. I don't know. Okay, this is really gonna determine the style. I don't know. Okay, it's definitely like voluminous. So yeah, it's looking great. I hope you'll try this, because these rollers that I showed you is really affordable. It's 200 rupees for a pack of 6. I got it from Amazon or Nika, I think. I'll try to link it in the caption, sorry, in the description box. I'll try to link it, and honestly you can even curl your hair using a straightener, or if you already have a curler, then try using that, and just try setting it with these rollers. You'll need 2 packs. I feel like you'll need 2 packs unless you have really thin hair. So yeah, get 2 packs, and then get these steel clips as well. These also are from Amazon, very affordable again, and try it for yourself. I think it's a fun little way to get a blow dry at home. So yeah, if you try it, let me know how you like it, and I'll see you next week in another video. In the meantime, you can follow me on Instagram, because I post way more often on Instagram than I do here. Make sure to subscribe and comment and let me know what you'd like to see from me, and yeah, I'll see you soon. Bye.